Hey everybody, welcome to Workflow of the Week or WoW Update. So today what we're talking about is user access control, which is supposedly really unsexy, but it's actually a lot easier if you use things like Keycloak. So Keycloak is a really cool system where it actually has a UI and you can set up and you can make it to where each and every one of your different applications has different ways that it goes ahead and it forces things like login, log out. What's even better is it allows for single auth, so like OAuth and all of these other more advanced authorization features, and you can use other systems to go ahead and actually do the authorization. So if you want to do authorizations through, say, Google or Facebook or something like that, they actually have a plugin that's already in that. What's even better is it actually works with your backend. So for us, because we have a multitude of different APIs, I can make it to where you are just an end user, or maybe you're a company admin. If you're a company admin, maybe you can give other people admin capabilities or different things like that, and you can do it all within a very protected structure. And so what's really cool about this is, sure, it is one of those cloud first architecture kind of things, and it is a more advanced feature, but it actually reduces coding time. So what do you mean? That means when I make all of these different APIs and I make new APIs, all I have to do is tell it, go ahead and look at the token and look at the token's capabilities. It's the same code over and over and over again. And then that makes it to where we have a secure front end and a secure back end. But if you had other features that you needed to use where you were checking other people's codes and timeout and all of that different stuff, you'd have to actually control that inside of code. But we don't have to do that. What really makes it even more amazing is, say we hand this off to a client, and a client wants to go ahead and do this for their own login scheme. They can even use some of the, say maybe they have Active Directory or something like that. They can use their legacy code to go ahead and add that in. So that means they don't have to change any of their authorization structure or how people get set up or added in. It just hooks directly into what they already have. So everybody, go to modtechlabs.com, sign up for one of our wonderful accounts, and tomorrow, we are actually going to be starting on adding in the dev gateway stuff. So you'll be able to see some of the cool ways that we are segmenting our API that makes it a lot easier for people when we do updates to not be affected. And we can also add in new features very quickly with an entirely new API. So everybody, also don't forget to subscribe here and like if you like. If you don't, can't help you with that. All right, everybody have a good day.